Fires. Pull back. Rebound. Run sa bounce pass. Back for the ball. Stop water. Yes, sir. Cool Vidal. Kakaldag dito. Twice. Yes, sir.
Number 2. 2 points.
And it's number 4. Twice for 3. Bang! Pass back Domingo. Great. Bang! For 3. Bang! Launch a 3. Bang! Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Battle for Third ng Region 1 Athletic Association para sa laban ng Pangasinan 1 at Dagupan City. And it's jump ball. First ball possession for team Dagupan City. And here's Esperanza. Attacks the rim, bumangga. And a floater, no good. Kick out. For 3. Bang! Ferrer first setting the play. To number 2. Pass back Ferrer. Bounce pass to Vidal. Vidal attacks, floater shot, no good. And it's Domingo, pull up J, no good. Rebound, put back, and the
2 points. Number 1.
And it's Team Pangasinan 1. Esperanza, floater, yes sir. To Ferrer. Ferrer attacks. Oh, pass back to Ferrer off the window, yes sir.
0.
And it's number 8 to number 4. Number 2, Esperanza bounce pass. And dive for the ball. Sa 3, no good. Battle for marirebound dito ng Team Dagupan City. Henry Ferrer dribbling the ball. Pass to number 17 to Domingo, to the middle, Vidal. Vidal kakaldag, spin move, fires, basket and 1. And it's number 4, fires for 3, bang! Passes to Domingo.
Number 4.
Looking for a receiver, pass back. To Vidal, kakaldag dito, fires, yes
Vidal,
sir.
number 2. 2 points.
To Domingo. Domingo. Attack. Pull up J. No good. Rebound for team. And here's Vidal. Kick out. Aasinta. Float. Bang! For the inbound. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 8. On the corner. And here's Esperanza. Number 8. Attack. Floater. Basket is good.
Number 8.
Here's Domingo, he discarte, passes to Ferrer. Ferrer attacks, side step, lays up, and put back shot is good. Pass it to the middle, Vidal fires.
2 points.
At nagmamadali dito, stop. And Esperanza launch a 3, no good. Domingo for the rebound. Pass to Ferrer. Pass to Vidal. Pull up J. Basket is good.
Number 2. 2 points.
And it's Pangasinan. Launch a 3. No good. Vidal the rebound. At Vidal nagmamadali dito. Side step fade away. Basket is
Number
good.
2. 2 points.
And it's Pangasinan. Pass back number 7 to number 8. Launch a 3. Bang! Bullseye!
Number 8. The first quarter.
And here's number 0. Pass it to the middle. And Vidal. Takes. Bounce pass to number 8. To number 6. Launch at 3.
3
Bang!
points. Number 8.
Ferrer. To the middle, Vidal. 5.
Basket
and
counted.
1.
Number 2.
Vidal. Number 30 open for 3. Oh, napagod pati bola. Launch at 3.
3 points.
Bang! Pass inside. Ooh, the basket is
Basket.
There is matatapikan dito at makukuha ng Pangasinan at pare-recover ng Dagupan. Takaldago,
Basket.
Valencia.
Yup.
Bounce pass. Fires for 3. No good. Launch at 3. Bang!
3 points.
Bullseye. Launch at 3. No good. Bounce pass. And it's number 2. Uy! Butatang inabot. Butata pa rin. Launch at 3. Bang!
3 points. Lead Dagupan City. 26-30.
Pass inside. Kakaldag dito. Fires of
2
the
points.
Valencia.
Number 6.
Number 39. Pass inside. Valencia kakaldag. Fakes and fire.
Basket. Number 6.
Sa 3.
3
Bang!
points.
And down to 3 ang kalamangan ng Team Dagupan. Babawi sa 3. No good. Rebound number 1. Bounce pass. Esperanza. Pass inside. The deliver. And the finish.
2 points.
And still Dagupan up by 1. And here's Esperanza attacking the rim for the lead.
Easy
Yes,
basket.
sir.
Number
And that free throw ties the game. And here's number 3 for Team Pangasinan. To Esperanza. Bounce pass.
intercepted.
Ball is stolen. And here's Valencia. Fires. No good. Battle. Makukuha pa rin ni Valencia. Kakaldag. Titira. Basket.
Basket.
And
Number 6.
and here's Palbonabe. Pass it to the middle. Further shot.
2
Basket
points.
is good. And it's Team Pangasinan. Launch at 3. No good. On the corner 3. Bang! Attacks number 3 lays up. Basket is
2
good.
points. Number 3.
Sa 3. Wala. Rebound Vidal. Attacks. Fire off the
2
glass.
points. Number 2.
Basket is good. Esperanza. Sa salida. Launch at 3. Bang! 10 seconds to play. Pull up J. No good. Esperanza. Binato. And that's the end. Ferrer crossover. Maagawan dito ni
Start of the third quarter.
Esperanza. Basket and 1. Side game tayo mga idol. And it's Vidal pass inside. Post the block.
2 points. 9-1.
Esperanza fake pass back. Launch a long 3.
3
Bang!
points.
Launch a 3. Wala. Esperanza. Sa 3. Rebound. Sa 3.
3
Bang!
points. Number
And here's Domingo, pass to Vidal. Vidal, atake. Water shot.
number 2.
And here's number 8, passes to the middle. Kick out, and here's Esperanza. Perimeter shot, no good. Vidal the rebound. And a pass break 1-on-1. Lays down Domingo for
2 points. That
cross pass, number 39 for 3, Velasquez.
3-point lead. Dagupan.
And his team Pangasinan, Esperanza attacking the rim, side step floater, no good. Put back shot
2
from the net.
points.
Yes sir. Launch a 3, no good. And his Pangasinan, Esperanza for 3, bang!
Rebound.
Esperanza sa 3 ulit, bang! Back to back
3
3.
points. Back-to-back 3 points. Number 2. Esperanza.
And here's Vidal. Magawan dito ng buko. Marirecover. Launch a 3. Bang! Back to back pala ng Esperanza. Is Velasquez. To Vidal. Vidal, atake, nakalusot, lazy
2
down, basket for
points.
2.
Number 2, Vidal.
Launch a 3 again,
Another 3
bang!
points. 6 na kalamangan ng Panuan.
Domingo, kick out, pass back Domingo, launch a 3, bang! Esperanza,
5 to shoot.
launch a 3, bang! Launch a 3, Esperanza, bang!
Bulan ng 3.
And it's number 7, number 11, Balbonabe. At the middle, floater shot, basket is good.
2 points.
Espinosa for 3 again. Pass back, Balbonabe. Attack, kick out, front 3, no good. Rebound. Giting tagumpay. And here's number 1, dribbling the ball. To number 2. Launch a 3. No good. Rebound, put back shot, and again put back. And basket good. Launch a 3. Bang!
3 points.
Number 6. Number 1. Sumalaksak. Play. No good. Put back shot by number
2
11.
points. Number 11.
Launch a 3.
2
Bang!
points.
Bullseye. That's the end. And here's number 1. Pass to number 2. Espinosa. Fake. Esperanza. Floater shot.
And 2
Basket.
points.
And it's number 2. 72 pass to Ferrer. Domingo. Attack. Tinasa kay Vidal. Floater. No good. Put back shot. And
Grade
the
1, 2 points.
Ferrer. Attack the defense. Oh! Basket and 1. Number 4. To number 6. Number 6 launch a 3. No good. Rebound Ferrer. Ferrer nagmamadali. Pasin. Gandang pasa doon kay
2
Vidal.
points. Vidal. Number 2.
Number 2 Esperanza for 3.
3
Bang!
points. Number
Lays up. Basket
2
is
points. 0.
Ferrer. Esperanza. Number 11. Launch a 3.
3
Bang!
points. Number 8.
Ferrer. To Vidal. Fire.
Vidal. 2
Basket
points.
And his team Pangasinan. On the corner. Pass hook. And here's Domingo. Pass it to Ferrer, bumangga, tumira, basket is good. Esperanza.
1 point lead, Pangwan.
Bounce pass inside, the floater, no good. Rebound for Vidal. Ferrer, derecho, fake. Kick out, wide open for 3.
And a foul committed.
And yung team Pangasinan. Attack, butaka! Galit pa galit si Idol. Vidal stays far. Eric Vidal, nakakaldag, titira sa
2
loob.
points. Segundo na nalalabit.
And here's number 4. Bounce pass, cross pass. And it's number 8 to number pass
Seven
pass
to
number
shoot.
8. Long to 3. Bang! And it's number 4. Launch to long to bang! For the tie, 44 seconds.
Basket.
Tie game. Uy. For the lead. No good. Basket and one. No basket, no basket. Number 1. Sa doon.
2
Basket.
points.
Attack. Pass. Balaksak. Wala. Pass break ngayon. Easy basket. Esperanza. And here's Domingo. Bounce pass in the middle. Vidal. Corner.
2 points.
That's the game.
Five to shoot.
Second shoot. 5. Basket.
Pasok
Good. 1 minute 50 seconds. Attack. Slaughter shot. No good. Rebound. Put back. Off the glass. Tatabi na dito. At inside. Libre. Oy! Basketball. 1 minute 10 seconds.
For 3, no good.
Basket is good.
Basket
And
count.
one.
And there's a foul.
7.3 seconds remaining on the clock. Up.
May foul. May foul na tayo. No basket. Foul number 2.
3.3 seconds. Oy! Oh, may foul. Five. Put back. Yes, sir.
For 3, no good.
number 8. Heading the play. Number 8, pulls for 3. No good. Oh! The follow-up shot. Launch a 3. Bang! And here you go, Dagupan, floater, no good. And it's Team Pangasinan. Pass inside. And a basket. Uy. Attack. Pull up J. No good. Nagpamadali. Back.
2 points. Last 1 minute.
Down 4 ang kalamangan mga idol. Ferrer versus Esperanza. Take up. Basket is
2
good.
points. Number
Vidal. Pinabitin. Basket and 1. Vidal.
112, 1 out.
Good rebound. Put back. Basket is good.
2 point lead na. 110, 112.
And it's Esperanza.
Five to shoot.
Oop.
Same ball. Same ball. Congratulations! Pangasinan 1! Bronze! Okay, awarding na po tayo.